I'm stitching up this sheath, and it occurred to me, and I should probably say a few words. Mainly, I'm not an expert. There's not one thing that I'm an expert at. So you probably shouldn't watch my videos to become an expert at anything, because I'm not an expert at anything. I never claimed to be. The purpose of these videos, more than anything else, is to give inspiration. If you watch these videos and you see me make a knife and you say, hey, I can do a better job than that. Hey, that's great. I can make a better sheath than that. I'm sure you could. Hey, so could I. A lot of my stuff is just expedient, just something I felt like doing. I'm a big fan of the one-day project, even though I've been on this project for about 4 days. Just off and on. I'm at somewhere around 20 hours of actual hands-on work with this. But if I can show you something, and you can look at it and say, well man, if he could do that, I can do that and do it better. That's fantastic. I want you to go out and do it. Post a video of it. But just remember who gave you the idea. I'm not an expert fisherman by any means. I'm not an expert hunter. My crafting skills are subpar. But that don't stop me. That's never stopped me before. So it shouldn't stop you either. I've just done this kind of stuff long enough to be comfortable with my own skill level, and I have fun doing it. So if I give you an idea, then take it and run with it. I mean, I got other ideas for videos too. They'll show up eventually. But nothing I do is expert work. Nothing is professional. And it's not supposed to be. But like I said, if it inspires you to do something, go out and do it. Like, I've done a lot of stuff I had no clue what I was doing. Hey, it didn't stop me. There's plenty of other YouTube channels out there that can actually teach you how to be an expert. But this is not one of those channels. Okay, there it is, the final reveal. It's done. And it looks really nice. Really nice. A copper finger guard. Really, really sharp. And the sheath turned out real nice too. Eventually I'm going to remake that, because if you're not real careful about how you put the knife in, it pokes through right there. So I'm going to have to make something with an insert so that it doesn't do that. But that's what it is. Has a 5 1/4 inch blade, and now we get to clean fish with it. So good to go. Alright guys, I think my battery died on me, but there's all of our fish. You see we got a pretty good amount there, all boneless, skinless fillets, and the fillet knife is a winner. It worked great. It's going to take a little bit of time to really get used to that length of the blade, but it did just fine. So, till next time guys, thumbs up!